All right, we're getting into the first real good month of summer. This is my phlox. I'm gonna show you guys how to propagate this in the drip line. Seems to save a step, and it's already there. So let me show you that. We'll really show you this one here. It's fixing to flower. Check out this this one here. This one here is crazy. It's a black-eyed Susan. Got yellow flowers on it. Let's get this here. Let me show you how to propagate this right here where it's at. When you top this stuff, you want it to have like a stair-step formation. Like these down here will be shorter than these in here, and tallest in the center top. And let me show you, you just want to top the very tall ones, just barely top them. That way they'll divide into two and double your blooms. Do this as Father's Day. Do this early in the summer, and by the end of summer you'll be grateful. Hey everybody. Okay, what you want to do? You want to rake this out near the base of the plant. That. Then get a good sized drill bit. Everybody, drill some holes. Count as you go. All right. And cut these down. Start down here where you want them the shortest. Strip your drill bit length like that. Drop them in. See? Stair step these. After you get them all filled up, what you want to do is cut them all in half like this. And then put the sand here, I'll show you. Work the sand into the holes. It just helps keep them moist, helps the water get down there for you. Remember to cut everything. Miracle Grow. Soak them in real good. Like that. Make sure the sand's down in there really good. I'm gonna turn you off. I'm gonna finish these holes out and I'll show you the next part. All right, after you get them cut and sanded in, cut down like cuttings do, cut everything in half, remove the super soft stuff, get them sanded in good so that they'll receive the water, and then put your pine bark in there. This is just some old cheap topsoil here. It'll help keep them wet, damp, whatever. I'm gonna do some more down through here, all my phlox and everything that I can divide, and I'm gonna get them all in the drip line. I'm telling you, it works. Well, for these kind of easy to root plants, it does. I had a lot of trouble with my sunshine ligustrums, propagating those, but I figured it out. Cheap. Oh, there's smarter ways to do this, but this way is almost free. I think I got $8 tied up in dirt and this topsoil here. Soak them in real good. So we'll see how they do. I notice they do a whole lot better with 50% direct sun, like the whole plant does. I don't know about 100% because I got shade. And that's what it looks like. And this is cut down now too. Topped, everything's topped and cut down so it'll all double up. Well, that blooms top to bottom. Oh, it's about a week later, over a week. All right, it's about 2 weeks here. See all the new growth? And look at these. See what I mean by how they double up if you just top them? Like that. All of these. They're gonna be behind the ones I didn't top, or they would all look like this right now. But these are gonna be double So this is about 3 weeks. I know I said 3 months, but look at that. Flowers on my cuttings. There wasn't any before, and these are gonna bloom too. How about that? Okay, it's July 27th. Check out this phlox. I did not top it. For comparison, it's so hot. It's 101 degrees. All the ones I topped here have like so many multiple bulbs of flowers. That one's got 5. The one on top, so many of them are. Oh, she's coming apart. It's an update there for you guys, quick one. It's so hot. It's August 7th, and boy has it been hot. See, looks like I lost 3, 4 maybe, down there. See? Looks like they're trying to rebloom. Oh, let me get up. So I'm gonna take the ones that are sagging off to the sides, the ones that have already bloomed and I never topped, and I'm gonna plant those also. August 13th, second bloom. Still only lost the 4. It's 90 degrees. So we got this going on here. Gets those cuttings there too. All right, everybody. September 5th. Summer is over and the cuttings are still going strong. I'll bury them when it starts getting really cold, when they turn brown. All the shoots at the bottom of the main base are starting to brown. That means it's getting colder, in the 50s at night, and these flowers are gonna fade. So I'm gonna propagate a lot more of this. I'm gonna cut this all down off camera and do a lot of drip line. You'll have to wait till spring to see what that results are. But we're done with the summer. Enjoy your fall, guys.